Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you trying about buying a new sofa? Hold that thoughts. Let's talk about how you can give your old sofa a stunning makeover with just a new covers. Imagine transforming your living space without the hefty price tag of a brand new sofa. Changing the fabric on your old sofa can breathe new life into it and create a fresh modern look that you will love it. Not just about aesthetics, it's about sustainability too. First, choose a fabric that reflect your style and home decor. Things bold color or chic pattern. Measure your sofa accurately to ensure the perfect fit. You can find pre-made covers or even opt for custom options for that tailored look. Next, remove the old cover carefully. This step is crucial if you want to keep your sofa in top shape once it's off. Clean the cushions and frame to eliminate any dust and strands. Now it's time to put on your new cover. Start from the back and work your way around, ensuring everything fits snugly. Tuck in any excess fabric or a polished finish, and voila, you have transformed your old sofa into a brand new centerpiece for your living room, all without spending a fortune. So, before you rush out to buy that new sofa, consider this simple yet effective solution. It's worth it. Renewing your old sofa covers not only saved money but also gives you a unique piece that reflects your personal style. Try it out, watch how it elevates your space. You will be amazed at the difference. Thank you for watching my video. Genuinely appreciate each and every one of you who taking the time to engage with my content. Your support means the world to me, and it's drive me to create even more valuable and entertaining video. Every like, comment, share fuel my patience and motivate me to keep pushing the boundaries of creativity. It's not just about the numbers, it's about building a community where we can learn, grow and inspire each other. Till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you